Hello and welcome. If you're new to Notion AI, this guide will get you started quickly. What is Notion AI? Notion AI is a powerful tool integrated into Notion that to help you write, brainstorm, organize, and enhance your workflow with the power of artificial intelligence. Step 1, access the Notion AI. So make sure that you have access to Notion account. In my case, I'm gonna log in with my Google account. All right. So log in however you want. In my case, I'm gonna log in with my Google. If you want to use Apple for that matter, for a quick access, you can do that, and you're gonna be able to access that Notion AI. Allow the notifications from here. All right, and answer a few questions. How do you want to use Notion for personal, with others, or on my own? All right. What some areas of interest? We're gonna say books and media. Okay, and I'm gonna wait until they prepare my template. Okay, and basically, log in now and continue. All right, continue. As you can see, this is my dashboard. So, what can we do? Write smarter, generate drafts, refine your text, and summarize content effortlessly. So now what you're gonna do, go ahead to the explore, right? In my case, I search for reading list, right? You're gonna see AI response about the reading list. The girl with the dragon tattoo, right? You can see right here that, the status is not ready. So to kill the mockingbird, and you're gonna see that basically the book is ready, right? You can add comment, right? Or add property. If you want AI autofill, you can use AI autofill, right? Or click autofill all pages if you have a workspace. And as you can see right here, your workspace does not have unlimited AI because I'm on the free plan. But if you do have the upgraded plan, you're gonna be able to leverage AI, okay? And the same goes if you want to brainstorm ideas for, let's say history, right? You could go to 1984, science fiction, the status, reading, and as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to enter your status. In my case, I can go to my homepage, and as you can see, I've created a book, Romeo and Juliet, and I can select the status, reading, right? So when someone looks for my book or looks for the book that I'm reading, they're gonna be able to see right here that I'm reading, right? You're gonna see right here the AI summary, rename, edit property, property visibility, duplicate property, and delete property if you want to. Okay, so basically you can go back, right? And then before we go back, go to the Romeo and Juliet. You can see right here the share button. You can share it inside the Notion AI or publish it somewhere inside, like as a post, right? You're gonna be able right here to view site. Alright, you're gonna be able basically like a social media. You're gonna be able to see that I posted this to other people. So anyone who has a link or search for Romeo and Juliet, they will basically see that. All right, you can see right here the comments and suggestions at the top if someone reached out, and you can see right here the three dots at the top right. You can change the font to be somewhere different, right? Like this. You can change the template, and if you want to customize the page by showing backlinks, page discussions, and inline comments, you can do that, right? And more tools like copy the link, add the favorites, move the trash, export if you want to, and delete some pages if you created pages. Right here you're going to see connections. You don't have a connections, but if you want to search, you can search for connections. You can see right here the inbox. If someone reached out, like send you a DM or invite, you're going to be able to see somewhere right here. And you can see the pencil at the bottom right. You can create your to-do list or your weekly plan, right? As you can see right here, powered by AI. You can hit the check mark for to-do list. Let's have an example, cooking, right? I could type cooking and or read a book. Read a book. Okay, and I could just hit the check mark if I done both of these activities. Right? Of course, you don't have to basically do that, right? Let me delete this one. Okay, I can go back to the pencil at the bottom right, and you can see right here more suggestions powered by AI for quick notes, simple to-do list, simple journal, habit tracker, one-on-one notes, and simple weekly to-do list. So you can use that, as you can see, for free. If you want to use for mobile friendly or for life, let's say for example fitness, whatever, you're gonna be able to write personal finance tracker, right? A journal, minimal weekly plan, or you can go back and use other like school, right? For student dashboard like assignment or essay or homework. So you can see some of that right here. So just ahead, like few tips if you want to create your own book or to-do list or generate summaries. Be specific when typing prompts right here in the pencil at the bottom right. Be specific when typing prompts. The more details you provide, the better the output. And try different commands like rewrite this to sound more professional or generate pros and cons list. Okay? Always review AI suggestions to ensure they align with your goals. Before you close this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.